2023 Honda Insight Hybrid, models, release date. The newest Honda Insight is amongst the autos made by Honda. Inside the Honda Insight Hybrid version, that sedan aspires to get an eco-friendly automobile with some other facilities, competitive prices, as well as a contemporary and splendid design. Honda previously had a multitude of sedans using a gorgeous and desirable method. The innovative Honda Insight 2023 seems really eye-catching and possesses many different superior characteristics in recent times once the restyling connected with Honda Insight in 2023 lately. Several years. If you believe concerning the performance in the all-new 2023 Honda Insight Hybrid, it will depend on a petrol engine paired to a motor unit able to supply 153 HP through the combo of these two motors. With the significant strength, this Honda Insight Hybrid may arise like an intelligent sedan and give the highest performance compared to it has the competitors from the hybrid version, this Toyota Prius Hybrid 2023 that also believes annoyed and requires some development. 2023 Honda Insight Redesign. Exterior design. When you go over the look of the newest 2023 Honda Insight Hybrid, there are actually a lot of resemblances on a variety of ends together with the sisters and brothers, any all-new Honda Civic 2023, along with Honda Accord 2023. The visible difference is at the front grille and inside the tail light design, about Insight 2023. Moreover, a Honda Insight Hybrid employs 16 inches alloy tires in standard styles and will also go for a bit greater alloy tires at 17. Honda Insight Hybrid is actually a 4-doorway sedan with auto-directed front lights and tail lights, which can also be fixed with LEDs. Some versions, including the all-new Honda Insight Hybrid Touring 2023, come with broad fog lamps plus a sunroof, using a stainless accent around the exterior design. Interior design. In the interior aspect, the size of a Honda Insight Hybrid will not be a really colossal sedan. However, the Honda Insight 2023 Hybrid is really roomy, can feel high quality, and seems within the cabin. The application of plastic materials remains on some sides of the cabin. Nevertheless, they all look good. You can even appreciate premium supplies in the Honda Insight X Hybrid and other premium coatings. Inside the cabin, you obtain high-class decorations and sophisticated functions previously put in, for example, infotainment solutions, featuring vacation cruise management, intelligent weather management, and directed background illumination. An infotainment method involves a built-in 5 inches touchscreen with wireless Bluetooth online connectivity plus a 6-lecturer sound system. Several of the characteristics displayed earlier mentioned happen to be in the newest bottom Honda Insight Hybrid version. From the unique 2023 Honda Insight Hybrid, the very best of the collection model characteristics: an 8 inches touchscreen display included with Apple Vehicle Enjoy, Android OS Automobile, Sirius XM Plus HD stereo, when 2 extra audio speakers have already been included in the sound system. Additionally, a USB 2.0 harbors have been improved to some 2.5A slot. 2023 Honda Insight engine. A Honda Insight Hybrid introduced some effective motors within the hood when speaking about the engine. Honda Insight 2023 will be operated with a 1.5-liter Atkinson several-tube engine with approximately 107 horsepower and 99 lb-ft of torque. Energy is produced at 130 HP from the motor unit, having an optimum torque of 197 lb-ft. Nevertheless, the mixture of these two motors permits the latest 2023 Honda Insight Hybrid engine to offer 152 HP, plus will supply the highest potential and ability for this particular all-new Honda Insight Hybrid. This engine is driven by a CVT transmission that only exchanges cause on the front side tire setup. As a result, any Honda Insight Hybrid can make a fulfilling impact on velocity. But, at the same time, it nevertheless drops in the market to a few of its competitors inside the hybrid portion. Like other hybrid motors, you will not discover any noises when driving a vehicle. However, though it continues to this sedan can feel loud in the gasoline engine. Nonetheless, the actual Honda Insight Hybrid remains exceptional on the highway compared to its competitors. 2023 Honda Insight release date and price. There is no formal discharge concerning the price from the most up-to-date technology in the 2023 Honda Insight Hybrid. Although the price remains likely to be reasonably priced by 2023, the regular Honda Insight Hybrid will probably be listed at about $24,000. The actual Honda Insight X Hybrid 2023 is predicted to charge about $26,000. The maximum variation from the Honda Insight Hybrid Touring will likely be valued from the $30,000 price array. These costs usually do not incorporate fees, signing up, and accreditation, plus some boosts will likely know the difference in the charges you will probably have to spend.